Hello friends, this is Ilyas again with a new tutorial of Photoshop, and in today's video I will show you how to give orange and teal effect in any picture quickly. So let's start and we will work on this picture. So first, in foreground color select teal shade, and then in background color select orange shade. Now you just have to add gradient map from here and put the blending mode to overlay and put the opacity around 70 to 80. Then click on this panel and on color shade, and from it you can set the levels of orange and teal like this. And you can see the result. So please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.